Hey guys, so I decided to just vlog my week. It's Monday today, so I'm gonna be doing some schoolwork. And yeah, I'm gonna see if it's gonna be a busy week. I'm not exactly sure if it is, but I just wanted to take you guys along every day. This Skims lounge set, because it's been a little cold for the past few days. I mean, it's still January, it's about to be February, but yeah, it's been pretty cold, especially in my room now. I have an even colder room now, so yeah, I also have to do like a room tour for you guys because a lot of you guys are asking for that, so I'm gonna do that soon. Just a quick little interruption here in this video, but I did receive some of these cute new gel nail polishes from Nail Reserve, and I decided to go ahead and try them out for you guys in this video. I haven't gone to a nail salon in like 4 years already, so I do everything at home. After doing my usual nail care routine, I went ahead and applied a thin layer of the base coat and let it set, and then I applied a first layer of the Marry Me color, and then I also let that set. And then right after that, I applied a thin layer as well of the Golden Crown shade, which is like a topper. It has like sequiny kind of like detail. And then I layered it on with the Marry Me once again and topped it off with the top coat, and I really love the result. Use Dorelli 50 for a discount. Yummy?
Uh-huh.
I finally finished school like 2 hours ago, so now it's like 6:30, I think. 6:45 now. I just ate dinner and I have a Ricola cough drop. Forget to show you guys what I'm eating, but I ate salmon, like salmon cooked on a stovetop, I guess like grilled kind of. And then I also got a little salad I made with like vinegar and oil, olive oil. I made it with kale, spinach. And we also added some red bell peppers and carrots. I also got a baked potato with a little bit of sour cream, and I also got what else? Oh, I got avocado as well. My arm's tired from like holding the camera, but yeah, that's pretty much my dinner, and it was basically also my lunch. I'm literally running out of breath right now because I'm so full. Currently watching Netflix, and I'm still wearing my Skims. It's so comfortable, and it's like freezing in this house, but I stay warm with this on. So I'm just gonna clean up like this little disaster I have. I'm not gonna show you because it's horrible and it bothers me, but I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit, and then I'll probably just be chilling watching TV. Hi everyone, it's Thursday, so I literally did not film for 2 days basically, but I painted my nails with this new gel nail polish, like a little baby pink, and then I did like a little sequin under on top of it, and then covered it with more pink, but you can't really see the sequiny or shiny part of it. But I'm gonna do some homework very soon. I have 2 hard classes right now. I have ASL and then I have math, which math kicks my butt, but it's been a little bit more easier than ASL. So yeah, I'm just like trying to learn here, take notes and all that. But yeah, I'm currently wearing this jacket from like 4 years ago. It's the IMG jacket I got, which no one even wears anymore, but I love it. Like, I love it. Like, it's so comfortable and it's very warm, and it just matches with anything. And I also found, I went through my backpack. Okay, my battery's dying already. But I went through my backpack, my middle school backpack, my brother bought me years ago, and I found my favorite mechanical pencil ever in there. So this is like 1 of 10 I owned. Hi guys, so it's almost 10 o'clock at night, and I got a cute package today. I know I'm not uploading this until after I make a video on this, but I got some products from the Vintage Cosmetics company. I don't know if you guys remember, I had a pink headband like this kind of, from this brand. I bought it at, I think it was Marshalls or TJ Maxx years ago, maybe like 5 or 6 years ago, and I used it like every single time I did my makeup. It was like polka dot, pink and white, super cute. It was a terry cloth one, and I just loved it. I used it every single day, and finally fell apart from washing it too many times. It's so cute. It reminds me a lot of like the vintage dress boxes. I'm just gonna show you guys what's in here. So they sent over this adorable little headband. It has like little kind of like hot pink, well maybe like a darker pink, like printed hearts. It's like a very soft velour, velvety, like kind of like a light strawberry pink. And it's just super cute. Like, you can already see me wearing this. They also sent over this adorable little clutch bag. I've seen so many of like my TikTok friends have it, and it's just super cute. And I love that it's like very foamy or like padded. And it reminds me a lot of like vintage clutches that I have that I actually own, that I've thrifted already. And I would love to use this for like makeup or something. They also gave me this ice roller, which I see like every it girl have it, especially Fernanda Ramirez, which I'm always watching her videos. I see her that she has one of these, and she like rolls her face with it, I think every morning, to depuff. So I want to try this out. They also sent over these bendy hair rollers. That's pretty much all they gave me. Thank you so much to Vintage Cosmetics Company. Hi everyone, so I'm back from a shopping spree kind of. I came back from the mall. I have a haul that I want to show you guys. Ignore this hot mess in the background. I still don't have a closet door, so I'm just working with this. First of all, I got a package from this Underdays brand. I know they sell underwear. They kind of remind me of like Parade. If you guys have ever shopped Parade or like seen their brand, they kind of remind me of them. I bought like so many things from Parade already, like specifically like their underwear, and I've also visited their Soho shop when they had it, and they were awesome. Like their employees were super nice, and they literally gave like free stuff as well. They sent me a cute little package. They gave me this super cute tote, which I can't wait to start using. They also gave me this water bottle, which I was looking at on their site, and I was like, am I gonna get a water bottle? And yes, I did get a water bottle. They also sent over some underwear. They sent me 2 pairs of their lingerie, high leg, like high-waisted underwear. So I got the brown one and I got the black one, and I like that it has like this thick material on the front, and then it has like a meshy material on the back. I got this package from Apple Doll today. I just got it like a few hours ago, and I just opened it right now. So it's from Apple Doll, and I got this black tank top. It's super cute, and it says Apple Doll. Anyways, I got this super adorable black tank top with like the blinged red rhinestone Apple Doll logo. And then I also got the mascara, the Tarantula mascara, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen me use multiple times. And I got a new lipstick. It's in the shade Temperance? Yeah, Temperance. So it's like a taupe. It's like a warm taupe. Now for the mall haul, I went to Express. I was not thinking about getting anything, to be honest. I just couldn't help myself with this. I found this like super cute ruffly bodysuit. It's like a tank top, and it is a bodysuit. It's like this blushy ballerina color, and I just felt like I needed it, so I definitely bought it. It was only like $15, which I think compared to the original price, it was like almost $50, so it was definitely a steal. I also went to Lush, and I go to this Lush a lot, so this like employee already knows me. She's like probably the nicest employee there. I love going there. So I got a bubble bar. I got this bubble bar, which is the sleepy one. It's like a little pastel cloud, and it smells so good. I also got this bath melt. I think this one is called Love Island. It is a Valentine's Day special, which is like a little cupcake kind of like heart, and it smells very good actually. So I know that she told me that this, you just use it as a bath bomb. You throw it into your bathtub, and then it like, it's more hydrating. So I'm guessing it's more oily, because it did get like the bag a little greasy. It's like melting in the bag. That's basically my haul for now. It's time for me to drink my carrot juice. This is pure carrot, and it tastes phenomenal, not gonna lie. I thought it was mixed with like fruit when my mom first made it, but it's pure carrot juice, and it's great. So for this day, we decided to go to New York City, and we just walked around. I mean, basically a day in New York City. Obviously we had to go to Shake Shack because I love Shake Shack, and I got the seasonal lemonade, which is always the best. And we were walking around Times Square. I think this day we went over to the Grand Central Terminal, or I literally don't remember anymore. But yeah, we were walking around. We didn't really walk around Times Square. Oh, we went to Bryant Park that day. So yeah, it was pretty eventful because we ended up like coming to an event basically without even knowing. And we went to Cha Cha Matcha and we got some matcha, even though I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it's a cute store, so obviously I had to get something. And also I went to Magnolia Bakery and got myself like a slice of cake because I have been craving that for a while. And yeah, they were ice skating, like professional figure skaters. So yeah, it was pretty cool to see that all day. We were there until like the nighttime. So yeah, we were just enjoying the entire time we were there, and it was a lot of fun to see everyone skating on the ice. This randomly became a food diary for some reason, but this is what I was eating. Very delicious, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I'm continuing to vlog. Literally, I have had like the most uneventful days for the past like week. Also, my camera is literally deteriorating. My screws are falling out of my camera, so I'm planning on getting a new camera. I already know which one I want, but I still haven't gotten it yet. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of homework lately. I have been going to Whole Foods a lot, and I got this candy, and they're really good. Hi guys, so I haven't filmed anything for this vlog, at least like recent things, but I did get a box. I'm literally about to drop it, but I bought a new camera because if you guys don't know, my camera is literally deteriorating. So I got a new camera and I really hope it turns out super good because I've had this camera like this when I'm recording on for like the past 6 or 7 years. So I definitely think it's time for an upgrade. This is like the worst angle ever, but I'm gonna open it. I don't have any scissors right now. I'm gonna open it with my key. This huge box for this little thing. So I've been searching for a camera for a long time already. I've been seeing like what kind of cameras have good quality for recording and photos. So I found this one and I was really interested. I also went to go see it at Best Buy, but I bought it off the Sony website because I thought it was better. So let's see. So I got the white color because it just looks so luxe. It looks so nice, like it looks so luxurious. And I think I saw this camera first by on YouTube by Asia Jackson. I think she does have this camera, but in black. I was really interested, so I really like the viewfinder that it's like that, and I just like the white. I think it might be the same weight as that the one I currently am recording on. Then it comes with this little fuzzy little microphone. It looks like a little wig. Okay, now how do I but yeah, it comes with a little charger. Now I'm like, how do I charge this thing? Because now I own a Sony camera. I never had a Sony. How do I use this? Okay. It's turning on. It's 11:34. This is what's so annoying. I have to be setting everything up all over again. That's why I just hate getting like a new phone. Okay. Now I have it on. You know what? I kind of like I do like the quality on the viewfinder. Oh wait, I need my SIM card. But yeah, now I have to figure out how I stick this thing on and how I charge this battery because I don't even know what to do. So I got another package. I bought some stuff off of Sephora a few days ago, maybe like over a week already, but I finally got my package. I barely have been buying anything from Sephora. I did get something I really have been wanting. I also chose these free samples. I got the Fresh Black Tea Advanced Age Renewal Cream. I'm gonna try this out. And I got a Mason Margiela By the Fireplace perfume, which I really want to try out because I did smell it in store once, I think. I don't remember how it smells like, so I'm excited to try this out because I love Maison Margiela perfumes. And this is the thing I bought. So I got points for Sephora and I used them up for a $10 off. And I decided to get this brush because I've been watching Monet McMichael's videos and she uses this brush. I like how sleek and modern it looks, and I definitely want to try this out in a video. I remember I used to use these brushes a lot